Warning, the following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy STINO RWD, and I'm back at it with another video. Today's just a cool little vlog day, you know. We just gonna hit a Cars and Coffee, not too far from my crib for real. So let's go ahead and get the video started. Get G-Ski in that thing. For the ones who don't know, my affordable dream car is a Audi R8 V10. My dream car. I feel like that's affordable because it's like only like 100 and something K, which ain't too bad. I gotta get this rear diffuser fixed because the little red piece came off and water kept getting into it. So
caramel craze ice latte.
3 glazed donuts. 3 glazed donuts. That's it, boss. Y'all already seen him before on the content. You know what I mean? Nigga trying to have me get extra sugar and extra caramel. You tripping now? Like you tripping? Bro, you tripping, man?
Like, that's like when you go to hip hop, you be like, put extra crack on there. You can't be like, put seasoning on there. But look, extra
crack on that motherfucker. Hell yeah, I told y'all I'm gonna go ahead and just be a head ass and just actually get some coffee for real, because I ain't had no coffee in a week. Okay, y'all go ahead and get y'all work in.
Good exercise.
But chill, let me go ahead. You trying to pass me the straw? Let me go ahead and try this. What's it called?
This is the caramel craze ice latte.
Caramel crazed ice latte. Thank you. It looked good. Like the whole display and the whole presentation looks schmackables. I'm ready to show y'all right now. Come on now. Don't tell me I ain't doing it right going to the Cars and Coffee with the coffee in the car before I get to the Cars and Coffee. Go ahead. First taste test. Tastes like ice coffee. Tastes like ice coffee. This shit good though.
Smack.
That shit is smack. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Got a little cream, a little whipped cream.
I was actually thinking about picking up another one of them motherfuckers.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get there.
What's the left up there?
Peace. Go up there.
It really didn't matter real quick. And it's like damn near raining. There's probably some more down here or something. Maybe. Damn, look at that motherfucker. That's like a wagon. And then they got that Porsche.
I'm ready to hop out for y'all. We got a Ferrari 430.
GTR. 2 GTRs. Oh.
Hey y'all, so my goofy ass was recording the little thing and I forgot to take off the tape off my car.
Dragatron, bro.
Dragging the whole way up this like this, you know. But you about to take it off and go ahead and walk around for your. Honestly, they got a lot of things going on, so we're gonna go back and forth. Yes, sir.
Alright, try to get him.
Appreciate you. He got a turbo 2J G37. I mean, said G37, G35. Said he's pushing 650 wheel. Oh no, that's kind of crazy. 650 kind of crazy. Y'all see the meaties on there. The meaties. Sheesh. X3M. Let's see the. This build is clean. I ain't never seen this color before, y'all. The Supra, insane spec right there. How y'all feel about Camaro SS, y'all? Like, okay, cause I might want to go Camaro SS next. I'm thinking Camaro SS, BMW 550i, the one with 445 horsepower, or just those two options, really. That's 350 drop top. That's hard. This stick. That's tough. Oh, tight. That rear bumper is hard too. 3 mile pop. Sheesh. Yeah, they got a whole bunch of things over here, y'all. The GR Corolla. I ain't never seen one of these in person. I don't like them tips. They got 2 tips that's the same size and then one in the middle. That shit.
There's not even no motorcycles out there.
I mean, yeah, that's why I was thinking the rain.
Yeah, that's true. It'd be a whole 10, 20 foot flight.
Oh, people don't even know what this is. I think y'all correct me. Y'all correct me if I'm wrong. This is a. I don't know what this is. This is a Grand. I know the Monte Carlo. Yeah, Monte Carlo. This the OG. If you had this, you know you get into it.
It is clean though.
Clean as shit. It's a Z06. A Z06. Crazy.
Look at that Supertron. You see the Subi? The white one?
I'm trying my best not to.
The Supra?
There you go.
I already seen it, yeah. Got the Corvette. Got the old antique classics. Oh, that's a Rolls Royce.
Let me airdrop you, or let me
Yeah,
send you the,
old school Rolls, y'all. Old school Rolls. Chevy, Ford. They got my man said this is like the worst it's ever been for real. I kind of knew it wasn't going to be too lit because of the weather or not. I'm sure there's people that don't like. But yeah. I ain't even see the blue R8. I told y'all I was going to see an R8, y'all. I told y'all we was going to see an R8. This is what I want right here. Y'all see this? Oh my gosh. I don't know if this is a V10 Plus or just a regular. This is insane. Sheesh. This is insane work. Wow. Yeah, I like this a lot. This V5. STINO RWD gonna be in this real soon, y'all. Real soon. What's this, the M440? 440, M40, whatever it's called. Nah, I smoked that, so I ain't gonna lie. This shouldn't get smoked up. I think this is the S63. Yeah, this is real clean. I like this. This is a sleeper. If you don't know, you don't know. S55. Okay, I was wrong. S55. I'm trying to see these Porsches, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. These Porsches are insane. I'm not gonna lie. I do like the 911 Turbo S's though. That's also one of my dream cars, I feel like. Lineup is just never lasting. Some Ecclesi right there. You gonna go see that? I think that's the M12 or something MC12.
My family
These are real nice. They got a Robbie 430. We got the 2 GTR on Gzilla on a tag, Tome. Do y'all see these pipes? Like these had to be like 6. Like I never seen tips this big. My gosh, like bigger than my fist.
I mean, is that a Nismo? Got a Nismo wheels.
He got Nismo wheels. I don't know if it's a Nismo. I'm not really sure. Definitely got Nismo wheels though. X3M. Sheesh. Back to back.
Not right now. He is more horsepower than me.
Hey. It's insane work right here. Y'all correct me if I'm wrong. I think it's called an MC12 or something like that.
You don't like your car driving? I got grass on it.
G coupe right there. Yeah, my man said that this ain't really like, this is kind of like phony compared to how it usually is for real. So this spoiler is dumb as shit. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if they come like that. I don't know if he put that on there, but yeah, that's a huge. Scatty Packy. Scatty Patty. Yeah, that's hard though. Shit, I don't really got nothing here. I know it could be way better, but at least I came out here, you know what I'm saying, got y'all some content. If y'all didn't know, it is early morning, 9:15. We've been here for the past like 45 minutes. And I'm not a big morning person at all, y'all. So, feel me? Y'all, you feel me? Do y'all like, comment, subscribe, share to a friend, hit that bell down below. Y'all let me know what this is. I think it's my man said it's a S250, S240. I think it's S240 or something like that. Shit, right hand drive, stick shift, drift car. He probably be taking this drifting. If I was him, I'd take it drifting. Sir, go ahead and wipe y'all up a little bit. Y'all see G-Ski by herself looking clean. I ain't gonna lie, I think I got the one of the best cars here, if you ask me. If you ask me, I'm one of the best cars here. If you ask me, man. Like, the front end just looks crazy. This looks crazy.